Hi, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to get this makeup look using chocolate gold palette. This is a new palette for me, never had it before, so I got this look with this palette and I'm gonna show you guys how I got it, plus how I apply my foundation and all of that jazz. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. We're gonna start by prepping my face. I'm gonna also use this serum that I also got from Ipsy Generation Beauty. It's amazing, smells divine. Like, I think I'm gonna buy the big bottle. They have the big bottle. Oh, my skin feels so hydrated now. So everybody starts makeup different. I start with my eyebrows first. So that's what I'm gonna do. I had to do my eyebrows off camera. They take me forever to get done. I am cleaning up my eyebrows with some concealer, the LA Girl Conceal shade Pure Beige. I'm just cleaning my eyebrows up and I just use that as my eyeshadow base as well. And then just go in with my finger and blend it out. So today we're gonna use this baby that I got, this palette, the chocolate gold palette. We're gonna be using the shade Rolling in Dough to set my concealer up. Before I set it, I make sure that the creases are gone, and I just go back in and set it. Oh, I like this. It's so soft. I like this eyeshadow. It's my first time trying this, by the way. Like soft, and look how I set it. Like, I like it. All right, now that my base is set, I will go in with the color So Bougie. Ooh. And kick up. So I got that shade all over my crease now. You can barely see it, but it's there. It is there. Alright, so now we'll go in with shade Cocoa Truffle just to darken it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with another brush. This one is a little bit tighter packed, and I'll just go in with that shade and tap off the excess. By the way, I love how this shades blend like a dream. Like, it's true what everybody was saying. I'm just gonna darken up the crease a little bit. I love the warm look. Love it. I don't know which color I'm gonna go with. They're also pretty. I don't know. I'm gonna do like a shimmer inch, like on my lid. I think I'm gonna do a half cut crease. So how I do it is I grab the same concealer over here and then over my eye, like, and see. Because I have hooded eyes, so I have to, like, you know, because you see like that you cannot see anything, but see where it end up, and that's where I will do it. And I would just blend the outer parts with my finger. Alright, so I would just go in with a flat brush, right, and not wet or nothing. Let me see how they work on their own, and if they don't work right, then I would just have to wet it. Let me see. This is Gold Dripped. Wow. Oh my god, that shade is amazing. Then this is Rich Girl. Oh my god, I like that one too. And then this is Dripping Diamonds. I don't even know. Oh, such a hard decision. I think I will go for this shade. Even though they will look amazing. I think I'll go for this shade. Yeah, like this one. I don't like the fact that I have to go in so many times. I think it's my brush. I think the brush is not picking up as much as I would like it. So I I think this one will be a better one. But yeah. Oh, you see that? Like, that looks small. I love that shade. It's like boom. In your face and there. And then I just do the same thing. Let's go in with the brush and go into Rich Girl. Rich Girl. Alright, so now I would just go to blend the edges with the cocoa truffle color, and I would just blend the edges, like make it look not as harsh. Try to make it look seamless, you know. So I just take the shade and blend it out. Use the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. I love it. It's just like a pencil, and it's so good. It's a sharp one. Attempt to do the other one as good as this one. Let's attempt. You got a good one, and then you got like something else that you don't even know what it was. We're gonna take a break from the eyes and do the race of the face. This is a moisturizer. I don't know why it's so liquid like that. It looks more like a toner, but it is a moisturizer. Are ready. My face is red. I'm gonna use this primer, Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Ready for foundation. Use the Infallible Pro Matte in shade 109. This shade is a little bit too dark for me right now, but that's like a little bit too much. But we're gonna work with it, right? So I just grab from there and I just set it on my face. You see how it looks a little bit darker, but when we put when we start putting concealer and all of that, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look even. So I'm gonna be using the, yeah, it's a little bit lighter, but it's gonna balance everything out. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade medium. Right, so with the same sponge, I'm just gonna take the part that I haven't used yet and I'm gonna blend it out. Now I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier powder. I don't bake, I just set my smile lines, like almost every foundation sinks there, and it's really annoying. I hate it, but it's like, you know, kind of gotta deal with it. Go with my big fluffy brush and I just dust it off. Alright, so bronzing my face up is the Wet n Wild contour palette. You know, this is what I like at the moment, and I just take my brush and so what I do now is I just grab another brush and I would just do it on the lighter part and try to clean it up. So now let me go back to the eyes. Let me put. Okay, so my favorite mascara of all times is the Unleash from Wonder Beauty. I love this mascara. It's amazing. Like my lashes are like non-existent, and with this I get lashes. So it's time for lashes. These are the lashes that I'm gonna put. Yes. See, lashes make a makeup look. Lashes are everything. So I'm gonna use this glue from Tarte. It's a black one, but since I have liner, it should be okay. Wait. Like, hello. Wow. Wow. This lashes. Wow, I'm like shocked. So the lashes are on. Love this lashes, they're so dramatic. And I'm gonna go back into the palette with the Cocoa Truffle shade. I'm gonna go in with the shade Decadent, which is the black shade, and I'm gonna done. Now I'm gonna go in with my Scuba from the Balm Cosmetics mascara for my bottom lashes. And now I go in with the Brow Gel Instant. Okay, so we are almost done. We have the lashes, eyebrows, everything. So yeah, moisturize. See, every New Yorker has a bunch of these in their bags, I bet you. I'm gonna put some setting spray. I'm using the Wet n Wild matte finish one. I like it. I just don't like the mist of it a lot, but so I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter. Lip pencil, lipstick. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, this is the glossy option, the glossy lip combo that I did. I'm not a glossy lip type of girl, but it doesn't look bad. It does not look bad at all.